Hello foodies, I'm Kanak. Welcome to my channel Ready Steady Eat. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare bread uttappa. It is an easy and delicious recipe which is made out of bread and semolina with onions, tomatoes and other spices. It is a perfect snacking for any time of the day. So let's see what you need for this. In a bowl, take the semolina. Now add salt to it. Also add in the yogurt and mix well until all the three are nicely combined with each other. Now add water and mix well and let the batter rest for around 10 minutes. Semolina will absorb most of the water. Now check the consistency and add some more water as desired to make a thick pouring consistency. Now to this add the onions, tomatoes, bell peppers and mix well. Bell peppers are optional, but I like the taste and crunch of it, so if you want you can skip it also. Now add in the green chilies, coriander. Keep mixing the batter until it is light and fluffy. Now heat a non-stick pan and apply some oil or butter on it on a medium-high heat. Meanwhile, apply this paste on the slice of the bread. Here I have used roundels. You have cut the bread into roundels. If you want you can use the entire bread and after toasting it you can cut into triangles. Now gently place the slice on the hot pan with the batter side facing down onto the butter and let it cook for around 2 minutes and keep pressing the top a little so that the batter is cooked evenly and becomes little crispy. If you want you can pour some more oil or butter on the sides of the bread to toast the bread if required. Turn the bread slices upside down to cook from both the sides evenly to make it golden brown in color. Once it is nice brown on the top, remove it on a platter and serve hot. And my perfectly toasted bread uttappa is ready. So let me try and see how is it. It's really delicious. It's got nice crusty base with nice tender onions and tomatoes filling on the top. And this is a very light preparation and it's perfect for any kind of breakfast, mornings or evening snack. And if you want you can also try this for your children for their tiffin boxes with some ketchup on the side. So do try it and let me know how it turned out in the comment section below. Also hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel for more such lovely recipes.